The UN IPCC has given humanity a code red warning for the devastating impacts of climate change on our planet. They forecast long-term damage to nature, the animal kingdom, food supplies, and people who are vulnerable to extreme weather, displacement, and food and energy security. The rate of change is forecast to only get worse as the world warms, and it is vital that we take decisive and significant action to mitigate the worst consequences. But we need to admit it. The hotel industry has incredibly low environmental standards, where reusing towels and reducing plastic soap bottles are the main talking points. We're ignoring the drastic net contributions that our sector makes to greenhouse emissions that cause climate change, and we continue to build that way. We must do much more to be part of the solution and not the problem. Going forward, Lamington Group has put sustainability at the heart of its business, with the announcement of a net zero roadmap which uses science-based targets to achieve net zero by 2030, 20 years ahead of the Paris Agreement. This requires the company to commit to a 46% reduction in our direct carbon from a 2019 baseline across the existing and future estates. Across our existing estates, we will shift to 100% renewable energy, eliminate the use of fossil fuels, renovate and upgrade insulation and heating efficiencies, generate renewable on site where possible, and utilise new soft and hard technologies to lower overall energy demand. The future estate will benefit from a new net zero building standard specification that we have created for all newly signed hotel and residential properties to be built to. This includes delivering to whole life standards, combining net zero operational carbon and also net zero for embodied carbon, ensuring we take into account the full picture of our carbon footprint. We believe we are the first hotel company in the world to set a whole life building standard, but we hope we will not be the last. This all sounds ambitious, and it is, but with our roadmap we have a detailed plan, and we are already proving our carbon and energy reductions are doable in existing developments. With authentic dedication and a long-term lens, we know we're going to drive value for our stakeholders and partners as we shift strategy to a greener future. Lamington Group aims to lead and spur change in the hospitality sector, showcasing what can be achieved. We want to work with partners who share in our same vision to build better buildings for the future.